Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bubble Pixie in Mermaid Isle. Many players adore these cute, small tails, and obtaining them involves a fun, interactive process. You'll need to actively search the game's vast underwater map for special, large bubbles. These bubbles appear randomly, so keep your eyes peeled as you swim around. Once you spot a large bubble, approach it carefully. To pop it, you must match the musical note symbol displayed on the bubble. You can access your music notes by pressing a key on your keyboard or clicking the music icon. Hitting the correct note will pop the bubble, giving you a chance to earn valuable pearls or even a Bubble Pixie tail. There are a total of 10 unique Bubble Pixie tails to discover and collect in Mermaid Isle. It's important to know that when you pop a bubble, there's a chance you might receive a duplicate of a tail you already own. Don't get discouraged. Persistence is key. Keep searching for and popping those bubbles to complete your entire collection. For the best chance of finding bubbles, try swimming around the outer edges of the map, further from the main islands. Be quick when you spot a bubble, as they can sometimes despawn if you take too long to reach them. Remember, collecting all 10 Bubble Pixie tails is a journey, so enjoy the exploration and the thrill of each successful pop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.